transforming production, disrupting tradition, excellence, beyond your imagination. Now, Bodor has once again revolutionized the handheld laser welder industry with its disruptive technologies. This is Bodor Laser's new product. The self-cooling handheld laser welder Pro 1500 integrates key product features to achieve simple and convenient human-machine interaction, providing a flexible and intelligent operating experience. Pro 1500 is equipped with Bodor's self-developed laser source Bodor Power, employing industry-leading direct cooling technology to overcome the limitations of air and water cooling technologies. With the self-developed intelligent temperature control system, we introduce intelligent circulation and constant temperature control technology for the first time in the industry, delivering a smooth, continuous welding experience. In the state-level enthalpy difference laboratory, after thousands of extreme cold, high temperature, and high humidity tests, the self-cooling handheld laser welder Pro 1500 can still maintain stable laser output in temperatures ranging from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. With its outstanding performance, it is suitable for nearly all regions worldwide in extreme working conditions, regardless of time and season. Tests by the authoritative CNAS indicate that steel processed by Pro 1500 has demonstrated superior advantages in bending, hardness, and tensile strength. The welding seams are smooth, aesthetically pleasing, strong, and deformation-free, with overall welding quality far surpassing other process levels. Safety as always. Wire feeding consistent and stable. Applicable for various materials. More comfortable grip. Ergonomic design suitable for global users. More advantages drive transformation. More advantages make welding easier.
Bodor welder surprises us a lot, which is important to improve our overall productivity.
Hola amigos, Bodor nos vuelve a sorprender con su nueva soldadura láser. Su aplicación nos permitirá lograr un enorme aumento de la capacidad de producción en un futuro. Vamos a verlo.
From TIG welders to laser welders. From laser cutting machines to laser welding machines. From extremely user-friendly to best-selling products. Bodor Laser Self-Cooling Handheld Laser Welder Pro 1500. Now available worldwide.
Bodor, dare to dream.